नमस्कार, मैं अरुण कुमार उपस्थित हूँ आपके सामने यूजीसी नेट का एक और विषय लेकर। आज हम बात करेंगे फोक लिटरेचर, जिसका कोड संख्या है 71 यानी कि 71। तो हम इसके सिलेबस को देखते हैं। सबसे पहले यूनिट 1 फोक लोर, डेफिनेशन, कॉन्सेप्ट एंड क्लासिफिकेशन। हु आर फोक, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फोक लाइफ एंड फोकोलरिस्ट, इथेनिसिटी, family types, natal, conjugal, nuclear, extended, generational and polyandrous. Type of relationship in family, direct and shared, sexual and descent. Function of family. Kinship terminology, types of kinship, role of kinship, social category and social organization in the creation, transmission and sustenance of folklore or folk life. Conceptual shift from popular antiquities to folklore. Genres and function of folklore. Ethnic genres and analytical categories. Classification of folklore. Verbal, non-verbal and intermediary genres. Genre theory. Alan Dundens, Richard Dawson, Ben Amos, Richard Bowman, Roger Abrahams. Function of folklore. William Bascom, Laurie Honk, Character of folklore. Unit 2 Historiography of folklorists. Folk from savage to imagined group. Folklore as a data and folklore as a study. Oracy versus literacy. Classical versus folk. Emergence of folklore as an academic discipline. Folklore study in abroad. Folklore study in India. Subaltern studies, tribal studies, diaspora studies, green studies. Unit 3 Folk literature. Definition and epistemology of folk literature. Field of folk literatures. Myth, epics, legends, folk tales, folk songs, proverbs, riddles, tongue twisters, speech acts, verbal art in performance, theatre and dance drama, medicinal chants, verbose in play genres, etc. Literary device, ethnic slurs, rumor, personal narrative, oral history. Unit 4 Theory of folklore. First, diachronic approaches. Evolution theories. Concept of evolution, unilinear, multilinear. Approaches, E.B. Taylor, George Mudrock, Lewis Morgan, James Frazer. Myth, ritual theory, solar mythology or comparative philology. Devolutionary theory. Concept of devolution. Type of devolutionary theories, Marxist and elitist. Diffusion theories, monogenesis. Concept of diffusion, Indianist theory or Banif's migration theory, Egyptian school and Finnish school or historical geographical method. Diffusion theory, polygenesis. Psyche unity, convergence versus parallelism theory, romantic nationalism and manifestations. Unit 5 Theories of folklore. Second, synchronic approaches. Structure approaches. Basic concept, synagmatic structuralism, concept of Ferdinand de Saussure and theory of Vladimir Prop. Application of Propian model of folklore. Paradigmic structuralism, concept of Roman Jacobson and theory of Claude Lévi-Strauss. Application of Straussian model of folklore. Functional approaches, basic concepts, social functions, Bronislaw Malinowski, Radcliffe Brown, Emily Durkheim. Symbolic functionalists, Clifford Geertz, Victor Turner. Psychological approaches, psychoanalysis, basic concept, Sigmund Freud, theoretical application to folklore. Analytical psychology, basic concept, Carl J. Jung, Jung's theoretical application to folklore. Jacques Lacan's theory. Contextual approaches, basic concept, verbal art as performance. Linguistic and communicative models of Roman Jacobson, oral formulaic theory or Perry-Lord theory, Lori-Hunko concept of multiforms, post-structure and postmodern approaches, meaning and tenets of post-structuralism, new hermeneutics, textuality, textual analysis, Paul Renier and theory of interpretations, historical milieu of theories, concept and theory of deconstruction, Derrida, Lacan, Foucault, gender theories and approaches, gender and genre, feminism and gender perspective, queer theory, semiotic approach to folk culture studies, Fernand de Saussure and Charles J. Peirce on science system and culture, perspective on discourse analysis. Unit 6, folk life and cultural performance. Culture as performance. Irving Goffman, Clifford Geertz, Milton Singer, Rites of Passage and Territorial Rights, Arnold van Gennep, Victory Turner, Performance Center Approach, Roger D. Abrahams, Richard Bowman, Richard C. Kramer, Egyptian of Purpose, Analysis of Folk Narratives, Folklore in Public Sphere, Folklore and Communication, Folklore and New Media, Folklore and Globalization, Theory of Global Culture, Discourse on Modernity, Postmodernity and Globalization, Ideologues of Globalization, Emergence of Populism, Influence of Globalization in Social Cultural Life, Issues and Concepts of Identity, Local versus Global, Homogeneity versus Heterogeneity and Hybridization, Changing Dimension and Domain of Folklore Genres and Folk Performance, Cultural Tourism, New Folk Formation and Protest Movements, Challenges to Native Culture, Biopolitics, Indian Folk Culture Practices, Unit 9, Genre of Folk Theatre, Narrative Enactment, Puppet Theatre, Dance Dramas, Musical Tradition and Lifestyle Patterns, Naming System and Onomastics, Occupational Folklore, Family Folklore, Folk Religious Practices, Pilgrimage and Ritual Practices, Fair and Festivals, Folk Medicinal Practices, Folk Art and Craft, Folk Architecture, Folk Foodways and Culinary Practices, Folk Games, Dress and Clothing, Manner and Customs, Customary Law and Jurisprudence, World View, Regional Variation and Versions. Unit 10, Fieldwork, Documentation and Archival Practices, Categorization of Fieldwork Operations, Pre-Fieldwork, Fieldwork and Post-Fieldwork, Notion of Field and Data, Thick and Thin Data, Method and Technique, Survey Method, Observation Method, Ethnography Method, Postmodern Ethnography Method, Dialogical and Discourse Method, Focus Group Method, Documentation and Archival Practices, Preservation and Conservation of Tangible and Intangible Culture, Fieldwork Ethics and Copyright and Issues, Patent Rights. तो हमने आज चर्चा करी इस फोक लिटरेचर पर, जो लोक जीवन से संबंधित साहित्य है उसके विषय में। उसको हमने इसके अंदर जाना कि हमें क्या किस चीज के बारे में जानकारी होनी चाहिए, फोकलोर क्या है, कैसे इसको डॉक्यूमेंटेशन किए जाते हैं, इसमें किस तरह का होता है। जो भी जनजातीय समूह के अंदर रिचुअल्स हैं, फोक है, जो भी चीजें उनके अंदर होती है तो हम उस चीज का अध्ययन करते हैं। तो इस विषय के अंदर हम जो भी विद्यार्थी इस विषय को ले रखा है जिन्होंने नेट एग्जाम के लिए, उसको इन चीजों के ऊपर फोकस करना पड़ेगा। और इसके साथ हम एक दूसरी वीडियो और बनाएंगे जो इसके बाद ही आपको मिलेगी, जिसके अंदर आपको ये भी पता चलेगा कि इससे रिलेटेड दूसरा टॉपिक या दूसरा सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है। सेम चीजें इसमें भी है और उसमें भी है, तो काफी चीजें इसमें मिलती जुलती हैं, तो विद्यार्थी दोनों से लाभ उठा सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।